Hi everyone, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to create a card front similar to the one that you see here using the Dangles Alphabet. Okay, so to begin with, you go to File, New, Blank File, and you fill in all the variables. We'll give this the name of Joy Card Front, and we want it to be a 5x7 because that is a standard greeting card size. The resolution of 300, that's a good one, and RGB color, and we're going to keep it with a white background for now. So once you have all that filled in, you just click OK. Voila, here we have our blank card front that we get to have fun and create with. So now you want to go to wherever you have your Dangles Alphabet stored on your hard drive and find the letters. And in this case, it is the J for joy. You click on that and click open. And you'll see that it puts it down here with everything else in our project bin. So you just want to repeat this process until you get all the letters that you would like. One more time we hit open. We go down to O, click open. One last time. Open. Find our Y and click open. There we go. So everything we need is in our project bin now. Okay, we'll click on our blank greeting card front. And now we'll go to the J, and you can see I'm hovering over it. So you want to, with your left mouse, click, hold down, and then drag it onto your blank card front. So we have a J, but it looks too big. And you'll see this little box that it's in. There are little boxes in each corner, and what that will do is if you click and hold down and drag, it will either reduce or enlarge. And we actually want it to reduce because it was too big. Then when you're done, you just click OK and scoot it over a little. And then you repeat the same process with the other letters. You go to your O, click and hold, drag onto your card front, grab a corner, click and hold down, drag it to the size you want it, click OK. So now we just have one more letter, which is the Y. Once again, you're hovering on top, click, hold down, and drag. Now we want to pick a corner and make it smaller. Okay, there we have it. Now you can adjust the size any way you'd like. I tend to like, if you'll see on either side, about the same amount of space, unless I am deliberately putting something off the page like so. But we don't want that with the letters. Alright, so we'll put the J up here a little bit. And I also pay attention to the space between the letters. It depends on how the letters are formed. Like, I think this might look good with the Y above it. And anyway, you can just play around with it to see how you like them. But in this case, we're going to stagger the height. J is on top. You have about that much space. Then your O. Then drag your Y down to about there. I think that looks really quite good. It's got a nice, pretty consistent angle. But if you'll notice, I have a lot of space over here and not much space over here. there's a very easy way to correct that. Just go outside of your letters, click, hold down, drag across, and it will grab each one of your letters and temporarily group them together. So what you would do from that point is you click and hold down on any one of these letters, and then you can drag all three of them together. So we'll kind of center it a little bit to where we think it looks good. Say that looks good. Okay. And when you release, you'll be able to see that they're still grouped together because they're all in this one little box. Now, if you go outside of it and you click, it's released them. And say if you wanted a different color background on this, you would go over here to, this is a foreground color. We'll click it. And then you can go to this bar and select any color. And then go within here, and whatever color you click on, if you'll look over here, that is the color you were going to get. But since the word joy is a happy word, we probably would like to put something in there that is just a happy, bright color. So I am going to personally go with yellow. And once again, whatever color you pick within this yellow will show up here. This would not be a good color for that image. And we want a purer color. But this is so bright, it would just kind of swallow up the word. So we need it to be more pastel. So we'll try that and see how that works. Once you find your color, see it there, click OK, and make for sure you have the background highlighted, not any of the letters. See. Then you come over to the left side to your toolbar and click your paint bucket. And then somewhere over your background you hover and then just do a left click. Voila, there you go. And now once you get everything exactly the way you would like it, come over to File and do Save. And I'll save it as a PSD, which is the Photoshop file. That way, anytime I want to, I can come back in and change anything I want. It will save all of the layers. And then I will save it again. I'll do a Save As. Same title, only this time I'm going to do it as a JPEG. That way I can go ahead and print it out or whatever it is that I want to do with it. Save. And I want to save it at a very good quality, so I hit OK. That's all there is to it. So if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day and much love.